Hello friend, welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to download and install Power BI tool. Let's begin. I will give you two link in description box. This is the two link. You can take any of link and download Power BI. For downloading Power BI, it will take 10 to 15 minute time. After that, you will find in your desktop download folder one executive file Power BI desktop setup. So double click on that. When you will double click, you will get new window. In that window, you will find welcome to Power BI desktop setup. So in that you have to click next. When you will going to click next, it will ask you for accept license. So just click on that box. Then installation started. After 10 to 15 minutes, this window comes. You have to just click on finish. Now Power BI desktop installation completed. Now double click on Power BI desktop icon. You will get this window to sign in or sign up in Power BI. Since this is your first time, so you have to first sign up. So this is just general things they will ask, like a name, email address, phone number, country, company search, etc. But only things we have to keep in mind, email address we have to give company email ID. Okay friend. So after completing all these necessary things, you will get this window. So when you will get this window, it means now your Power BI download and installation task completed successfully. In the next video, I will going to explain you how to connect data through Power BI. Catch you in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.